What is proof of e-filing a US tax return? Imagine you just finished filing your taxes online and want to be sure everything went through smoothly. How do you prove that you submitted your tax return electronically? That's where proof of e-filing comes in. When you e-file your US tax return, you don't sign a paper form like with traditional filing. Instead, the IRS uses digital methods to verify your identity and confirm your filing. The proof of e-filing is a record that shows your return was successfully sent to the IRS through electronic means. If you use tax software to file your taxes yourself, the main proof is called the electronic postmark report. This report is generated by the software and shows the exact date and time your return was sent. It also includes a confirmation number or acceptance code from the IRS. Think of it as a digital receipt that confirms your return was received and accepted. This document is your official proof that you e-filed. If you hired a professional tax preparer or an electronic return originator, the proof usually comes from Form 8879. This form is signed electronically by you and the preparer, giving permission to file your taxes online. The preparer keeps a copy of this form as part of their records. It acts as a signed agreement that you authorize the e-filing. Sometimes, banks or other institutions might ask for proof that you filed your taxes. If that happens, you can print a copy of your tax return, sign and date it yourself, using the date from your electronic postmark report. While not required by the IRS, this signed copy can satisfy the request of a bank or lender. Another way to prove you filed is by requesting a tax transcript from the IRS. A tax transcript is an official record showing your tax return details and confirms that your return was processed. You can request it online, by mail, or over the phone. Many institutions accept a tax transcript as proof of filing. In summary, proof of e-filing includes the electronic postmark report for self-filed returns, Form 8079 for returns filed by a professional, or a tax transcript from the IRS. These documents show your return was successfully submitted and accepted by the IRS. Always keep these records safe, especially if you need to verify your filing later on.